So you've got a signature scent, a cologne, a fragrance that you absolutely love, and you want to smell good all the time. So you're going on a trip. What are you going to do? You're going to grab your cologne and just toss it in your dopp kit, throw it. Well, here's the thing. I have actually had it leak. I've also had my cologne break, and there's nothing more frustrating than when you've got a super premium cologne that costs like hundreds of dollars or even cheaper colognes, and it breaks and it ruins your leather shoes, because that is exactly what will happen. But I still want to smell good, so what am I going to do? What are you going to do, gentlemen? I would like to introduce you to this bad boy. This is the new travel sprayer by Pete & Pedro, and this bad boy is going to change your life, because this is something that personally I think you should have one at work, you should have one in your car, you probably should even have one for your dopp kit. So in my opinion, you should have a few of these. Here's how it works. You're gonna grab your favorite fragrance. I, of course, am using Rebel. This stuff is ridiculous. You're gonna remove the cap, and then you're going to remove the little sprayer, right? You're gonna have this bad boy. Then you're gonna grab the travel sprayer, and as you can see underneath, there's a little like nozzle, right? This actually fits on top of your cologne, right? Right there, and then pump it, pump it, pump it, pump it. And what you're actually doing is filling up the reservoir in the travel sprayer, all right? So like I said, this is perfect for keeping it at work, in your car, or one for your dopp kit. And as you can see in the reservoir, that is your cologne. And then right there, you got a little sprayer, boom, you're ready, bang, 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 bang. Travel Sprayer by Pete & Pedro is, in my opinion, a must-have for every guy who doesn't want to stink, because this thing is incredible. You keep it with you when you travel so you don't have to lug around that big-ass bottle of expensive cologne, or you keep it at work, in your car, and then when you're going out after work to meet coworkers or friends for happy hour, or a spicy senorita, you just grab it, boom, give yourself a little bit of that action. Yeah, you smell that? Exactly. It's Rebel.